Have you ever wondered what a developer's worst fear is? Watch till the end to find out. In the center of San Francisco's tech district stood one of the fastest rising startups in enterprise software. Their mission: to build the future of global logistics through AI-powered analytics. To the outside world, they were unstoppable. But inside it was chaos, the kind that happens before a billion-dollar launch. Developers were working 14-hour days, coffee cups piling up like code comets. And at the heart of it all was Liam, brilliant, fast, and dangerously overconfident. It was 1:47 a.m. on a Friday night. The deadline was 7 hours away. QA was done. Deployment checklist was complete. All that was left was one final update, a pricing API patch requested by the client at the last minute. Liam, make sure you get a peer review before pushing to production, Sarah said. Of course, Liam replied. He didn't mean it. At 3:12 a.m., Liam stared at his screen. The last piece of code looked harmless, a simple currency conversion. He'd made a small change. It looked logical, good, or so he thought. He ran a quick test. It passed. Good enough, he whispered. He merged directly to main. Then he went home. 9:43 a.m. launch day. The office was filled with excitement. The system went live in Singapore, thousands of successful requests per second. Then came the alert. Unexpected value detected. Negative pricing returned. By 10:10 a.m., the system was refunding customers for their own shipments. Within an hour, $3.4 million had vanished. At 11:02 a.m., the client's CFO called. Your system is paying our customers. Turn it off, now. The platform was down. Panic filled the air. Oh no, Sarah screamed. Who pushed the final update? Sarah asked. Silence filled the boardroom. The commit log revealed everything. Liam tried to simplify. A tiny piece of code that converted prices for international customers. In doing so, he removed the base rate, a small but critical part of the formula that ensured accurate conversions between currencies, and ignored a rounding step. It seemed harmless, but this tiny change caused the system to miscalculate prices and automatically send millions of dollars in refunds. A small fix, a huge disaster. A single minor fix had cost millions. Peer reviews had been temporarily disabled that night for speed. Why didn't you wait for review? Sarah asked. He looked down. Because I thought I knew better. The next day, the organization issued a public apology. Liam stayed, but learnt a great lesson which gave him a change of mindset. He re-enabled code reviews, automated tests, and introduced a rule that became company policy. No code merges after midnight. It was called the 3:12 rule, a timestamp that changed everything. So what is every developer's worst fear? It is pushing the wrong code into production. The story of this tech enterprise isn't about failure, it's about how fast innovation collapses when speed replaces discipline. Every unchecked commit is a ticking time bomb. Every skipped review, a PR disaster waiting to happen. Peer review isn't about mistrust. It's about humility, the courage to be wrong before the world tells you. Lesson: great developers don't just write clean code, they build safe systems. Always review, always test, always respect the pipeline. Tech Skills Decoded, where every story decodes a skill that shapes the future. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel to learn more about the tech space.